Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing admin access and capturing your current network state so you can restore if needed. First, log into the router or local admin account and export config files. This preserves IP, DNS, and DHCP allocations. Once done, write down Wi-Fi SSID and password and disconnect non-essential devices to reduce variables. Make sure you have a spare Ethernet cable for direct connection. This speeds diagnostics and avoids wireless interference while you perform the reset. You will now perform the core reset actions that usually fix persistent issues. Begin with the device. Run the OS network reset or disable, then enable the adapter to clear cached settings. Next, factory reset the router by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This removes custom rules but resolves deep configuration errors. After that, power cycle the modem, then the router, then your device, waiting 30 seconds between each reboot to ensure clean reconnection. You finish by reapplying necessary settings and verifying connectivity so everything works reliably. First, restore exported configs or manually re-enter SSID, password, DHCP, and DNS values. If you prefer, set DNS to a trusted resolver like 8. Then test. Ping the gateway, perform a DNS lookup, and run a quick speed check. If issues persist, try assigning a temporary static IP. Update firmware on router and modem. And, as a key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.